Alright, so when we calculate the volume of a rectangular prism or a triangular prism, we're going to use the formula volume equals big B times H. Big B is being the area of the base, H being the height of the prism. So when we go to take our formula and substitute our values in, the first thing that we are going to plug in is B, which again is the area of the base. So again, in a prism, the base is the side or the face that gives the prism its shape. So in order for it to be a rectangular prism, the base must be a rectangle. So for instance, we can use the bottom side as the base. So that would be the rectangle with dimensions 8 inches by 5 inches. So what we plug in, what we substitute in for B, is how we calculate the area of that. If it's a rectangle, you just do length, so 8 times width, which is 5. And then lastly, we need to substitute in for H, which is the height of the prism, which in this case would be 7 inches. So we would put a 7 in there. Now all that we have to do is just simplify our equation a little bit. Volume equals, in our first set of parentheses, 8 times 5 will give you 40. 7 will stay the same. If we multiply 40 times 7, we should get 280 for our volume. And the units are inches cubed. Since volume is 3 dimensions, that's why it is cubic inches. And that is how you find the volume of a rectangular prism.